Guys, big news. We're just 2 days away from the official kickoff of Mari's and my favorite season. Rosé all day, baby! Oh, we got cheers from the crowd.
It's the crowd on 42nd and 2nd. Whether you were lounging by the pool, enjoying a garden picnic, sitting on the sofa and doing nothing.
On Friday night.
We've got everything for you. Our next guest has the perfect rosé pairings to make your celebrations pop.
Executive Chef Manjit Manohar from the Regency Bar and Grill is here to give us a taste of the best way to pair our favorite rosé with some food. Hello, Chef. Thank you for being here.
Good morning. Thank you for having me here. It's an honor.
Well, the honor is ours.
Listen, we're going to let you get into this, but we need to know, how did one get into the food and bev industry? Because what a beautiful place to find ourselves in.
Thank you very much. Growing in India, early childhood, I would say my association with the food started right there at home. With my mom and my father, they always host multiple parties, have people, relatives, families, anybody, neighbors,
off the street.
Impromptu walk-ins, and then next thing is I am running to the farmer's market, which was right there. Going there, picking up the fresh produce, coming in and producing, being a sous chef for my mother. I think this is where the journey started. Then moved across, worked in a different kitchen with renowned chefs across the globe. And then here I am at the Lowe's Regency. It's an honor to be an executive chef at Lowe's.
I mean, yeah.
And
everybody knows the Lowe's.
Are you still going to the farmer's market?
I do. This is always a chef's pet peeve, as I say. Go to farmer's market, check what is a fresh produce.
What's seasonal.
Look at the seasonal, and all my menus are influenced with what is seasonal's bounty is.
So you were training, and you didn't even realize.
That's right. Absolutely.
Tell us about the event happening on Saturday for National Rosé Day.
So we are celebrating National Rosé Day at Regency Bar and Grill. We are offering $1.15 a glass. So come Thursday.
Okay. Did you say $1.15?
No, for $1.15.
Oh, okay.
That is a deal itself.
I was going to say, holy smokes.
Coming to Regency Bar and Grill and experiencing rosé for $15, it's a deal.
It is a deal.
And you can savor any of these rosé, which I'm going to feature later.
Right. Well, let's get right into that, because my mouth is watering.
Dance. You go over there, Chef.
Because we know we need to have something to nosh on with the rosé. So what do we have here? What are we preparing?
So I am preparing one of our most popular dish from the menu, Maine lobster. The Maine lobster roll. What we're doing is, it's a summer essentials. Rosé does not go. Rosé does go well with lobster roll. And I have got the fresh lobsters. This comes every morning from the Maine, from our local vendor. So what we do is we only get what we need. We don't, and that's it. And we sold out. We are done.
So get there early.
Get there early if you wanna. And what I've done is I've taken the lobster. Usually what we do is poach depending on the weight. It's about 8 to 10 minutes. You poach it, you clean it. So I've left some samples here. And these are the meats, which is here.
Oh, no, that's the claw, which is delicious.
Oh, the claw.
And you're putting some special sauce.
Some special sauce.
You can't tell us.
I can't tell you. But I'm going to hide a little bit of it so that because I want you to come and experience this. And I want everyone to come to Regency Bar and Grill to experience our famous and favorite lobster roll. It has celery, it has caper, it has lime zest, it has orange.
Sounds delectable.
So I'm going to mix into this.
You can feel free to give it a healthy pour.
Yep. What I'm going to do is that if you're saying healthy, look at this, what I'm doing.
Yeah, that's a healthy
He's like, let me just dump the whole thing.
You know what? This top
I
is
want to
not
make it
working with me. I like it.
So you mix that around. What else goes in here?
So I'm not going to add anything else. These are my garnishes. It's very simple. It's all about indulging in what lobster has to offer. Yeah, so there is celery leaf, there is some fresh peppers, which are pickled, and some brine, which is sweet and salty. Some chives.
And you mix it all in there. Now, what's the rosé we're going to use? What do you want to pair this with?
So, Chateau Saint Marguerite. This is the magnum.
Look at this fella.
This is the magnum of rosé. What you bring it to a party, and you are a superstar.
You're the immediate star of the party.
So this rosé, the uniqueness about this rosé is it is made with 3 different blends of the
ma'am.
grape.
Oh.
And it has a taste, if you look at, if you see the aroma, it has taste of peach, pear. Okay, it has.
Say pear.
Yep.
That's gorgeous.
That's very nice. Okay.
And complements that. All right, moving right along. What's the other pairing you have for us?
What, I'm gonna go ahead, but shall I finish it or?
Nah, leave it there.
We'll eat it in the commercial
Don't
break. We
worry.
want to see everything else you have here.
So what we have done is, this is our seasonal bounty, as I said, spring salad.
Beautiful.
Spring salad is served with feta honey, which if you look at this, it's just what is available in the spring.
Wow.
So any dish which is, what we do is our menus are also very seasonal. Right. So every season we change the menu. So this is gonna be a short-lived, it's a spring, and then summer, we're gonna
You're going to change it
introduce
up
something new.
based on
So get in quick. Run, don't walk. And what are we pairing it with today?
This is my favorite.
Oh.
It's called Fer Lafette. Fer Lafette is basically, it's, if you look at this, it's a sparkling.
A little effervescence.
Yeah.
I love it.
As you know, these days, spritzer is getting very popular.
That's very true.
Very popular.
hold
So what I have done is I brought something here, which is something here just to give you a little secret of how you can be a star in your party.
Yeah.
So you mix Fer
Aperol?
Lafette, Aperol, bit of sparkling soda, and some ice. That's it.
And then you have a spritz.
The elevated.
And you wanna, if you wanna make it look very pretty, add some seasonal fruits or some orange segment or an orange
Chef,
peel.
so fancy for us.
It's like the merger of fashion
This is
and
why you're a
food.
chef.
Unbelievable.
Thank you.
What do we have? The last offering that you have for us.
So
that gorgeous salad.
The last offering is our favorite. It's a crowd pleaser. It's called grain salad, which has farro, chickpea, pistachio,
Love a
pickled
farro.
red onions, and grapes, and with kale. And what we have done is, if you see, the top is ricotta salata, and I have tossed with the champagne vinaigrette. So it is
light.
It is light. It is indulgence. You add some proteins on this. Add some chicken, steak,
That says
shrimp.
rosé
And what are
This
we
is-
washing it down with?
So this is, it's a tongue twister for me. It's a bel gloss.
A bel gloss.
Bel gloss. That's
Sounds good
it's-
right here.
It has a very fruity aroma as well. So if you look at this, it complements really well.
Oh, I like that.
Yep.
Oh my goodness.
Unexpected.
Chef.
Unexpected. I love that.
Thank you for this feast.